Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on OnePlus 5T. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one is on the bottom right here, then another one is located on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker, and that will be all of the speakers. Now, to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. Let's try it out. And clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.